How to update Facebook on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can update the Facebook application and get the latest update. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you're facing any sort of issues with the native Facebook application, it could be due to a couple of reasons, and one of the primary reasons is the lack of update. You might simply not have been updating the application on time. To help solve this error, you want to simply open up your App Store. Make sure that you're connected to the internet as well. Then, in the search box, you just want to go ahead and then type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook over here, you're going to see a list of results pop up. Now, just in case, if you see the update button, you want to make sure to tap the update option in order to update the Facebook app to the latest version. Updating will most likely fix any of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. If it doesn't say update and instead you have the open option, then it means that your Facebook app is already updated to its latest version and there's really no need for you to do anything at all. Hence, in this way, you can go ahead and then update the latest Facebook app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.